Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all screen lock methods available on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. So let's go to the settings, then over here we will go to security and privacy, and we're gonna open device unlock. Over here we have screen lock, where we will find three basic lock screen methods. So we have numeric, we have alphanumeric, which is more like a password, and pattern. So if we go to numeric, over here we'll find the important notice that you should remember your password. Let's press continue, and by default we need to enter 6 digits in order to set up the password. However, we can use a different password type, and then we can make it shorter by setting it to 4 digits, which resembles the PIN code. We also have the 6 digits, of course, and we also have 4 to 16 digits. And in addition to that, we can also switch over here to alphanumeric and pattern. So let's actually choose alphanumeric to show you how it looks like. As you can see, we can type pretty much anything we want. We also have special characters, and if we switch to pattern, then of course we'll need to draw something, and then we need to repeat the same pattern. And that's pretty much it. These are all basic lock screen methods available on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. In addition to that, we also have the face and fingerprint, so we can set up our face or add our fingerprint and use them to unlock the lock screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!